Lead the way, Riley. Camera hog. The cutest camera hog ever.
Yep.
Riley, keep lead. Tour of Nature Trail, Part 1. Riley, haven't you been on this trail? You know where the path goes. Go. This thing really lacks some of the color. If you think about it. Hey! Get back here, Riley. Good, Riley, good. Riley, come. Riley. Bridge. Bridge.
Go this way.
We go that way or that way?
This way.
We go that way.
Oh. Go. Riley, that's off trail. Again, that's also off trail.
She's losing her mind.
Well, I mean, I don't think she's been on this in a few weeks. Roots. There's roots. There's roots. Dad, we're only at 1 minute 40 seconds.
Oh, we're timing it?
Yeah, you said 6 minutes is like what keeps the audience in it. And crap! Pardon my French. Mine only. Riley, I know. So Riley, you'll get in this, but you won't get in our bathtub back at home.
But she'll get into this.
Either way, she just got an extra bath across from what she got a few weeks ago. Did she always do this?
Yeah, but that water has a tendency to not exactly smell the best.
Again, Riley! Oh yeah, Drew in the pool. Ugh. That's why I'm wearing a jacket.
Okay.
Not only because I want to be bug repellent so I can't get my arms, but also because if she gets in the water, she'll shake. That's technically waterproof. Finally, a bridge Riley can get under, but she won't. Wrong way, Riley. And like people who who are gonna watch this, who live in Ford's Colony and haven't been on this trail, this will be really useful. That's like what Ben did when I went to Lucas's house. He overtook me. Riley, go. Come on now. Lead the way. Gee whiz, I remember nothing about this. Riley, when were you vegetarian? What would you call someone if they only eat kibble?
A dog.
No, there's the farmer's dog, and that's not kibble.
Oh, that's right.
A kibbletarian?
Sure. We'll make up the name.
Or a kibbivore, I don't know. Depends. What are the ingredients in her food? Is it mostly meat?
So she's got sweet potato and salmon.
Which would classify as what? Vegetable and meat?
Fish.
Vegetable and meat?
Yep. Fish.
Well, fish is meat.
No, it's not.
Well, you can eat it and it tastes like meat. Well, needless to say, it's not farmed animal meat.
Correct.
Comment down below what you think the answer is. Riley, keep it going. Okay, Riley. Hey, wait, this is like at Uncle Mark and Aunt Denise's house. They have a little go-around right here. Are you going to say anything about that, Mom?
Yes, it does look like that.
Is that one of the reasons why this shut down? Right there? That fallen tree?
No, because watch where you're going. I don't think that was across the path, though.
Well,
Right?
let me look. I see roots here and there, so probably it's fine. That's also, that is a very bent tree.
Which one? Yep.
That's almost like,
Is he leaning against another one?
yep.
That would be the reason why.
That's like it, great minds think alike, they say. Another. Riley, I don't know what you're playing with, but get a move on.
Come on, pretty.
Or I'll take a towel and I'll spray. Riley, you've been soaked more than probably halfway through this video. Riley, go. Go. I think Riley's starting to become more of a vegetarian than she is omnivore. But Mom, fish is a type of meat.
It's not, though, Charlie. It's a protein.
Yeah.
Well, protein can mostly be meat sometimes.
No.
Well, there's cheese.
Peanut butter, for example. Protein can be a nut.
And cheese.
Black beans.
Black
Cheese.
beans,
Cheese.
Legumes.
Well, what?
Legumes, that's what, I don't even know what phraseology it is, the source of it, but it stands for beans.
So you mean like rice and beans?
Yeah. That's one of the great things about rice and beans, buddy, is the beans in it is just straight protein. It's great.
That's good to know.
Yeah, they're healthy.
Riley, you're still eating us, right?
Is that a house or isn't there like a utility, but like
Yeah.
a
There's but
Small
building,
hut.
electric building?
Yeah, that's a house. I think.
That over there.
That Windsor Forest? No.
Dad, are you talking about what's right over there?
Right through those trees, yes. Because I know we spit out next to one.
No, that's still Ford's Colony, I think, but the Van Skyvers can
Dad,
get
look,
to
look,
the
look.
path
Come here,
from
come
the
here.
house.
There.
There. Yep.
Okay.
Right in there.
Good to know. Mom, wait up. I'm supposed to be at the front. And these planks are kind of wobbly.
Yeah.
Riley, stop eating plants. That kind of messes up your diet-ish.
Riley?
That was more my fault than it was hers.
Really?
No, I was standing in front of her and she had to move her head. Wait, let's see what this is. Let's see it. It's a
Swamp oak.
swamp oak. Keep that in mind, people who probably go on this trail. And Riley, get back on the path. Riley, come. Kind of a zigzag up ahead. Oh, up. Step up real quick. Step up. Yep, zigzag, like I said. How long does it normally take to get through this entire thing?
Well, it's...
More, I think that's either a
It was-
utility. Over there, there's either.
No, that's a house.
Let me look. Yep, it's a house.
That's a house.
I think that must mean we're getting to the.
It's like a little
See what I
mini
mean by
trail.
wobbly planks? Like, watch.
Yeah.
It.
I don't know what else is on, but I think, yeah, there's somebody's backyard right there.
And then that happened, probably from the hurricane a few years ago. Or someone just wore it down. Riley? Hey, Dad, remember that time you went to Minnesota and your flight got canceled? So I was like, what are you doing here when I woke up?
Poor Mom had to get up. Take me to the airport. We had to get up at 4:40 in the morning.
There's mushrooms growing on the, there's mushrooms growing on the logs. Maybe we could send that to Aunt Denise for her to identify it.
Yeah.
Keep going, Riley.
remember that plane was leaking gas.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully it didn't get to the engine.
No, it came out of the engine.
Normally, gas with something flammable doesn't make it anything good.
Right.
What? Wasn't there like a giant log you could sit on around here that they removed? We're only at 0.4 miles, too.
Right.
I can't tell if that's fungi or just miniature stuff. Dang, we might actually have to send this video to Aunt Denise. Yeah, that looks like fungi. Keep leading, Riley, or else I'm gonna catch up with ya. Riley, go. Yeah, let's wait for them. Okay, Riley. Try to catch up. Enjoy your plant supply, Riley. She ate another plant. Hey! Riley! Wait for us, girl. Riley, stop. Riley, sit. Sit. Riley, sit. Riley, sit. Sit.
Sit down.
Sit down. Riley, sit. More fungi. Should probably get ahead. And I think that's an electricity place over there.
Utility place. Yep.
Utility.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see gray and like high fences over there. For you watching, it's right there. And right over there. Moving on, Riley, lead the way. Yep, told you. Utility.
Oh, come.
Another dog.
Riley, come.
Riley, come here.
Wait,
Come here.
no, that's not their. That's
know,
not
that's
Charlotte's
another
dog. That's not Charlotte's dog, is it?
No, but it's a dog that's on the path, and we have to get Riley on the
Come.
leash. We'll go this way.
Yuck. But it's worth it.
Sure.
Yuck.
Good job.
You. For my sake. For my own sake. Now, do we get back on the path? Yep. I have a feeling this place says no trespassing.
Phew.
Oh, another dog? Or just weeding?
Somebody
That's weeding.
eating.
Anyway, that's the utility place. Careful of this if you go this way. And bugs. Yuck. Oh, well, that's a coincidence. That your dog?
Yeah. Hey, no. She's actually very friendly, but she's just
So's this one.
She'll look you to death or jump on you.
That's okay, Dad.
That's her thing. Enjoy the day.
Don't worry. Remember, Mom, should we let her loose? I'll go up and
How
let her.
long is this video going to be, honey?
I don't know. At least until we finish this.
Oh, look. That's going to be a long video.
I've seen hour-long ones.
Sure, you could stop that one, start a new one.
It sounds pretty